Why would it be important to actually get home inspections done prior to listing your house? Well, after being involved in lots of transactions over the last 15 years, we know a little something about that. Hi, I'm Lori Hodges with Homes by Hodges and Keller Williams. It's typically customary for the buyers to pay for their inspection, but when would it be advantageous for a seller to do so also? We don't always recommend this, but here's some really good examples as to why having inspections done prior to listing a home might be helpful for you as a seller. It might actually just save you some time and some money. You want to be aware of the condition of your home and the property, and we don't want any unexpected costs to come up that you really weren't aware of. We've seen termite inspections come back with over $50,000 in damage. Now, imagine getting a termite repair bill for $50,000, and the only way the buyer will buy the home is if it's fixed and paid for. What if you've already been under contract for a new house and you need that $50,000 to qualify for your next purchase? This would create a huge problem for you. What about this? Let's say you found out that the home that you were selling needed a new roof or a new air conditioning unit, and it had to be replaced. It would probably be better for you to shop around, get estimates, and get it fixed or replaced yourself, or adjust the asking price accordingly before it goes live. The idea behind getting inspections done prior to actually going on the market is so that there are no unexpected surprises that could financially hurt you later. We want the seller to be aware of any additional expenses that could possibly arise from the sale of their home. The inspections we may recommend are the standard customary inspections that a buyer would normally do. We recommend a home inspection, a termite inspection, and maybe a roof inspection. It helps the seller because they have much more assurance that what they'll actually net is what they thought when they went into escrow. It gives them peace of mind that the buyer won't ask for any unreasonable repairs that really aren't necessary. Having a good handyman come in and fix things will usually be less expensive than an estimate from a licensed plumber, electrician, or contractor. It may also cut down on inspection times asked for from the buyer. Buyers might also be more confident that they're purchasing a sound home without any glaring issues. As always, if you have any further questions, please just let us know. Reach out to us here at Homes by Hodges. Until then, this is Lori, and we're making realty dreams a reality. Have a great day, friends.